Hola, hola, Danko. Welcome to Kaiser Chiefs True News. But please, let's keep on supporting this channel so that we can grow, guys. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let's talk about Kaiser Chiefs, guys. We have seen this post that says Kaiser Chiefs are playing on the 23 on Sunday, November. So, and we see on the table they said also we're going to play Kaizer Chiefs versus Zamalek on the fixture that they have posted here. But on the Kaizer Chiefs social media, we don't see such things. They said we are playing against Zamalek on the 29th in November. So we don't know who's telling the truth there. But something is fishy, guys. I don't know who is telling the truth, but Kaizer Chiefs, they don't have to mislead us as Kaizer Chiefs fans. They have to give us facts as it is. But let's hope we can have this match on Sunday so that we can watch, because it's very long. It's have been long time without watching Kaizer Chiefs, and it's not good for us who love football. We know as Kaizer Chiefs supporters, we really love football and we are committed to Kaizer Chiefs. So I think Kaizer Chiefs social media, they have to make sure that they give us full information and correct information. They must not mislead us, because we are still watching on the fixture. It says Kaizer Chiefs are playing on the 23 and on the 29, on the 30 of November. So let's hope whatever Kaizer Chiefs is telling us is the true. But while we are waiting for this game, I think as Kaizer Chiefs supporters, we really deserve to have a match as soon as possible, because our team were going very well. They were doing very well when we stopped playing, when we were waiting for this international break. But let's hope after this international break, guys, we will play well as Kaizer Chiefs, because we really need that as a team, and as supporters, we really deserve to be happy, guys. Thank you very much.